Mitsubishi used to be a major force in the global car market. The Pajero, the Eclipse, the Lancer Evolution. These names carried weight. Fast forward to today, and the brand has shrunk dramatically, especially in the United States, where it is down to just 4 models on sale. But Mitsubishi is not giving up. In fact, it is hustling to rebuild its lineup by stealing Nissan's best SUV. And the result could be legendary. Let me show you how a dying brand is pulling off one of the smartest comebacks in the industry. In Europe, the strategy is clear. Badge engineering, the Mitsubishi Colt. Under the skin, it is just a Renault Clio. The new ASX, that is essentially a Renault Captur. And the upcoming Grandis, borrowed from Renault's Symbioz. It is an efficient way to put cars in showrooms quickly, but it does blur Mitsubishi's once strong identity. Still, not everything in Mitsubishi's stable is a rebadged Renault. Models like the L200, better known as the Triton pickup, and the recently launched Destinator are true Mitsubishi efforts. Now, the Destinator may have an awkward name sounding more like a video game getaway car, but in terms of design, it is sharp inside and out. In fact, it is stylish enough to catch the attention of digital car artists, who love to imagine what the future could hold for the brand. One such creator, known online as Theotl, decided to take inspiration from the Destinator and pair it with another SUV heavyweight. The Nissan Patrol also sold in the US as the Armada. The result? A digital rendering of an all-new Mitsubishi Montero, also known globally as the Pajero or Shogun. It is not an official design by any means, but it does raise an interesting question. Could Mitsubishi actually bring back its legendary full-size SUV by stealing Nissan's platform? Here is why the idea makes sense. Recently, spy shots of a mysterious full-size SUV prototype hit the rumor mill. Many observers immediately linked it to Nissan's Armada, and given Mitsubishi's alliance with Nissan, speculation grew. If the Armada and Infiniti QX80 can share a platform, why could not Mitsubishi jump in and create its own rugged contender? The badge engineering approach has already worked in smaller cars, so scaling it up to a big SUV could be the brand's ticket back into relevance. The rendering by Theotl certainly stirs the imagination. By blending the strong, boxy stance of the Patrol with some of Mitsubishi's newer design cues from the Destinator, the result looks like a serious off-road adventurer. A Montero worthy of competing with the likes of Toyota's Land Cruiser, Ford's Expedition, or even GM's triumvirate of Escalade, Tahoe, and Yukon. If Mitsubishi went this route, it would not just be chasing nostalgia. It would be seizing a real opportunity in a segment that continues to thrive. From a business perspective, the move would also make sense. Nissan and Mitsubishi, along with Renault, are part of a global alliance designed to share resources. The Armada and QX80 are already proven platforms, so repurposing them into a new Montero would spread development costs across 3 brands instead of 1. That kind of collaboration could give Mitsubishi a fighting chance against SUV giants.